Hello everyone, myself Madhav Singh Anand and I'm going to discuss the 15 terms regarding different subjects. So before going inside it, I will discuss the three things, that is log, logi and logist. So basically these log are main words and from which these logi are derived. It is derived from Greek word. Okay, it is derived from Greek word and it means like logy means study or science. Okay, study or science. Yeah, and this logist from logi it is derived as logist. Okay, so I have written this like 20. I will write more because I will discuss 50. So it's 20. The first one is study of liver. So this is hepatology. Study of kidney, nephrology. Study of cancer, oncology. Okay, one thing we have to know about it. There is a oncology, and when persons are suffering from cancer, so basically they refer to the oncologist. Oncologist, that means the person that have done the research. They are the researchers of these cancers because they are the doctors, oncologists. That means they are doctors, they are the expert, they are the researchers. So the logist, that means the expert of that particular subset. So that is called the logist. So oncologist, hepatologist, like liver specialist, ear specialist. There are many specialists are there. So the logist, that means the specialist, the person that they have done the research, they have done their specialization in particular subject. So that is called the particular logist or oncologist, biologist. Okay. So yeah, this is the study of the bones. The study of bones is called the osteology, study of the hair. Everything have their study because when we are doing something research, so basically we have to do the particular study about it, deep in study about it. Then we can conclude something or we can invent something. Okay, so there is a study of everything. So study of hair is called the trichology, study of eye, ophthalmology, and the person who treat the disease or the any deficiency or anything regarding the eye called as the ophthalmologist. आंख रोग विशेषज्ञ. Okay, so these are the things: muscles, sarcology, heart, cardiology. The person who treat that called as the cardiologist. And this is the blood, hematology, blood vessels, angiology, respiratory system, pulmonology. Why it is called pulmonology? Everything is related. Why? Because in respiratory system there are pulmonary veins, so it called as a pulmonology. In liver there is a hepatic cells called as hepatology. In kidney there is a nephron, that is the structure and the function unit of the kidney, so that is called the nephrology. Okay, bones is also osteo is also derived from the under this bones, so it's osteology. Digestive system is called the gastroenterology, and the study of air is called the otology. Okay, and study of sight. This is the study of sight. What we can see, the ability to see the things, that is called the sight, visibility. Yeah, sight. So this is ophthalmology. Animal behavior. Study of animal behavior is ethology, and study of body movement. Study of body movement. Like I am moving my body. So the study of this also called that kinesiology. And study of joints. There are number of joints present in movable, immovable, ball and socket, saddle, hinge. Many joints are there in a human body, in all living organisms. So the study of joints called as a arthrology. This is called as a arthrology. And study of skull is called the craniology, because cranium are present inside the skull, so that is called the craniology. Study of the tissue, histology. And the last one and the 20th one, study of the life, is called the biology. Okay, under biology, all the living organisms, it may be plants, it may be animals, it may be protozoa, It may be bacteria, it may be fungus, it may be virus. Virus is not basically living, or it's not considered as a living or non-living. It's in between because it mutate on other living organisms. So let's talk about biology. So yeah, under biology, all living organisms we are studying, that is biology. But when we are classifying, there are the botany, there are the geology are dealing with the animals behavior, animal study, and the botany dealing with the plant study. So after 20 I will discuss more. Let's see. Next, 21, study of wood is called as xylology. Why it is called xylology? Because there is a xylem vessels. When they get mature, that time they will, after maturation, they will form as a wood. So it is called as a xylology. Study of dogs, kynology. Study of Mars, that is Mars is planet. Aerology, study of bees. Apiology. And I have one more thing I will discuss. There is a one more thing, that is apiculture. Okay, here is apiology, that is study of bees, and this is the apiculture. That means apiculture, the production of and management and production of the honey, that is called the apiculture. Like that, there are many terms. Sericulture, production and management of silk, that is sericulture. So this is the apiology and the apiculture. Okay, study of tides, tidology. Study of insects, entomology. Okay, and this is a very broad term. Under there are the number of phylums of insects are present, and world's largest phylum is called an Arthropoda. And Arthropoda basically deals with the insects, and the study of insect is called the entomology. Study of war, poemology. Study of rain, ombrology. Study of wine. This is very uh, what we can say, not familiar that much. Study of wine, yeah, it's study of wine. So oenology, study of bacteria, bacteriology. Study of nest, nidology. Study of protozoa, protozoology. And the study of alga is called the phycology. Study of microscopic organisms, all the microscopic organisms that we cannot see by naked eye, so that are called the microbiology. And study of the parasites. What we parasites is defined like the organism that take nourishment, take nutrition, and survive and dependent on other body for their nourishment and for their survive. So that is called the parasitology. Study of virus, virology. Study of universe, cosmology. Study of fruits, pomology. Yeah, this is the pomology. And birds, ornithology. And the study of eggs, oology. Whenever it comes oo, that means it is talking about the eggs, because may you are familiar with the terms like oogamas, oogamas. So these terms are related with the eggs. So this is called the oology. Okay, so this till 40 I have discussed. Next, let's see. First one is called the study of dream, like dreaming. There is a study of dream. So that is called the onerology. Okay. And study of the soil, pedology. Study of languages. There are a number of languages, so there are different types of study that occurs on the basis of language. So that is called the philology. Study of ruins, like the historical study of the monuments are present. So that is called the archaeology. Study of plants. This is very easy term. Everyone is familiar. Study of plants is called the botany, and study of geology is the study of the animals is called the zoology. And from geology, under geology, because all the mammals that are giving or feeding milk to their babies, that are called the mammals. So basically, all the mammals are present inside zoology. All the mammals are the animal. So study of mammals is called the mammalogy, and study of the mountain, orology. Okay, study of the moon. Okay, study of the moon is called the selenology. Okay, and here I have given a space. The study of das is called that heliosismology. This is very unique term. When I was planning to make a video, so I get familiar with this. Heliosismology is the study of internal vibration. Internal vibration occurs on the sun surface. On the sun surface. So the study of internal vibration occur on the sun surface is called heliosismology. Okay, and the last one is called the study of earthquakes. I think everyone is familiar with this. That is called the seismology, and measuring the scale like 5.6 reactor scale. So the measuring that is called the seismograph, and the studying about is called the seismology. So I have discussed 51 terms regarding different subjects, different things. It is very important for the general knowledge and the competitive exams. So you watch this till now. Thank you very much.